Shopify Dawn Theme homepage customization. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to customize your Dawn Theme homepage on Shopify. Customizing the homepage of your Shopify store using the Dawn theme can make a significant difference in how customers interact with your brand. The Dawn theme is a versatile and modern theme that allows for extensive customization through Shopify's built in tools, meaning you can personalize it without any coding knowledge. Today, we'll go through the entire process of optimizing your homepage to match your brand and improve user experience. The first step is to log into your Shopify dashboard and navigate to the online store section. Once there, click on Themes, and you should see Dawn listed as your active theme. Click the Customize button to access the theme editor. This is where all your homepage customization takes place, allowing you to modify sections, adjust layouts, and tweak colors to align with your brand's aesthetic. The homepage is composed of different sections which you can rearrange, edit, or remove entirely. Let's start with the header section. Your header is one of the most important parts of your homepage because it is the first thing visitors see when they land on your site. In the customization panel, select the header section and adjust your store logo, navigation menu, and announcement bar. If your logo isn't optimized for the header, you can adjust its size by selecting logo width and increasing or decreasing it as needed. The navigation menu should be clear and easy to navigate, leading customers to essential pages like your collections, about page, and contact form. Moving on, let's talk about the slideshow or hero image section. Many Shopify stores use this section to grab attention with a bold image and a strong call to action or CTA. You can either upload a high quality image or choose a slideshow with multiple rotating images. Ensure that your images are optimized for web viewing to avoid slow loading speeds. Additionally, customize the text overlay to include a compelling headline and subheading that resonates with your audience. For example, if you're running a jewelry store, your headline could be Timeless Elegance Crafted for You, followed by a button leading to your featured collection. Next, we have the featured collection section. This section allows you to showcase your best selling or latest products. Click on the featured collection section and select which collection you want to display. You can change the grid layout to show more or fewer products depending on how much you want to highlight. Keep in mind that high quality product images and concise product descriptions are essential here. Another crucial part of the homepage is the testimonials section. Customer reviews and testimonials build trust and credibility, which can significantly impact conversion rates. Shopify's Dawn theme has a built in testimonial section where you can manually enter customer feedback or sync with an app to display automated reviews. When customizing this section, ensure that you use real and relatable testimonials with names or initials to boost authenticity. Now let's customize the newsletter sign up section. Email marketing is a powerful tool, and having a newsletter sign up on your homepage allows you to collect leads and engage with your customers. Navigate to the section and edit the heading to something more enticing, such as join our exclusive club for special discounts. You can also customize the background color to make it stand out without being intrusive. Moving on to the footer section, this is where our customers often look for traditional or additional information about your store. In the Dawn theme, you can customize the footer to include links to your social media pages, contact information, frequently asked questions, and policy pages. Make sure the layout is clean and organized, ensuring that customers can find what they need quickly. One often overlooked but most important aspect of homepage customization is typography and color schemes. Click on the Themes Settings tab and navigate to the Typography and Colors section. Choose fonts that align with your brand's identity and are easy to read. For colors, maintain a consistent scheme that reflects your brand's aesthetic. For instance, if you run a luxury brand, opt for elegant colors like black, gold, or deep blue. Another way to enhance your homepage is by adding a video section. A well placed video can engage visitors and showcase your brand story, product features, or customer testimonials. The Dawn theme allows you to embed videos from YouTube or Vimeo directly into the homepage. To do this, simply add a new section and select video. Paste the video link and adjust settings to ensure it fits well within your homepage layout. Incorporating dynamic text sections is also beneficial. If you want to highlight specific promotions, product launches, or key brand messages, consider using a dynamic text block. The Dawn theme has an option for rich text sections where you can add headings, subheadings, and short descriptions. Make sure these sections are strategically placed so they don't clutter your homepage. Finally, optimizing for mobile responsiveness is crucial. Shopify's Dawn theme is mobile friendly, but you should still test how your homepage looks on different devices. Inside the theme editor, switch to the mobile view and ensure that all sections are aligned properly. By leveraging Shopify's built-in tools and flexibility of the Dawn theme, you can create a visually appealing and user-friendly homepage that enhances your brand's credibility and boosts sales. Keep testing and tweaking as needed to refine the look and functionality of your store over time. And that's it. That's how you customize your Shopify Dawn theme homepage. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!